In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the map style on Zillow. If you've ever wished to see property listings with different map styles, such as satellite or street view, then you're in the right place. Let's walk through the simple steps to customize your map view, making your real estate searching experience easier and more visually informative. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Zillow's website by entering www.zillow.com in the address bar. Once the site has loaded, you'll be presented with the home page. If you're unfamiliar with Zillow, it's a popular online real estate marketplace where you can search for homes, view property details, and much more. So it's quite handy to know how to navigate its features. Next, you'll want to search for a specific location. Take a moment to think about the area you're interested in exploring further. Now, enter that desired location into the search bar. This is typically situated at the top of the Zillow homepage. As you type, you'll notice a drop-down menu that offers suggestions based on what you're entering. Once you've found the location you're after, click on it or press Enter. Now that you have your location set, focus your attention on the map view. You should see a map with various property listings, usually marked with dots or symbols. Look towards the bottom right corner of this map. There, you'll notice a button, either labeled Map, that you can click on. This action will open up more map-style options. Once inside the map section, you'll have the option to choose how you want the map to be displayed. If you're interested in seeing actual geographical features and landscape, select the satellite view. This view provides a bird's-eye image captured from satellites, offering you more contextual visuals of the neighborhood. To switch to this, simply locate the satellite button, which should be visible at the bottom of the map, and click on it. Alternatively, if you're someone who prefers street-level details and appreciates visual navigational aids, then Street View might be more up your alley. This option provides you with a real-world view from the ground, allowing you to virtually explore the streets just as if you were walking through them. To activate this, look for the Street View icon, which typically resembles a little person, and click on it. And just like that, you've successfully changed your map-style view on Zillow. Now you can enjoy exploring and searching for properties with your new map preferences. Feel free to toggle between map styles as needed, based on what you want to see or explore. Hopefully, this guide makes your Zillow experience not only more enjoyable, but also more effective for your real estate endeavors. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and